Hello, this is Nicole, the Doll Hair Detangler. Thank you for watching my channel, Hairapy Sessions. In this video, I will show you how I detangle wet doll hair and dry with no heat. The first step is to shampoo and condition the hair. Depending on how tangled the hair is, you may have to leave the conditioner in for a little bit longer than usual and finger detangle the hair. Once you have rinsed out the shampoo and once you have rinsed out the conditioner, the second step is to spray the hair with water and detangling spray. The third step is to start brushing the hair, starting from the ends and working your way up. And you want to continue brushing until every knot and every tangle has been brushed out and detangled. The fourth step is to simply let the hair air dry for at least 24 hours. And that is how you detangle wet doll hair and dry with no heat in 4 simple steps.